Why women live longer than men. Take a look at some of the most dangerous jobs and accidents in the heavy machinery industry. If you've ever wondered why women tend to live longer than men, some of the answers might lie in the sheer danger men sometimes expose themselves to in the workplace. Heavy machinery accidents, risky maneuvers, and poorly executed strategies are all too common in industries like construction, mining, and even heavy-duty transportation. In this video, we'll explore some of the most interesting and often life-threatening situations that occur in these industries. While these may seem like odd situations, they serve as a reminder of the physical and mental risks workers face every day. The bulldozer incident. Let's begin with a close call involving a bulldozer operator working near a soft cliff edge. The operator tried to reverse the bulldozer to pull it back to safety. But the more he struggled, the further the machine slid down the hill. His efforts only made matters worse as the bulldozer became stuck deeper in the loose earth. Miraculously, the operator survived the ordeal without major injury. He was lucky that the bulldozer didn't collapse onto him. These situations highlight the inherent dangers of working with heavy machinery, especially when combined with human error or poor judgment. Mud and mistakes. A rookie's error. In another instance, a dozer operator found himself sinking in the mud, having underestimated the conditions. The rookie operator seemed overly confident as he stepped into the mud, thinking that his bulldozer could easily handle the terrain. However, he quickly realized that his confidence was misplaced. The mud sucked his machine down to a near standstill. Thankfully, the operator wasn't completely stranded, as an excavator arrived to assist with the rescue. But the incident cost both time and money. Heavy machinery accidents like this one emphasize how crucial it is to assess the environment carefully before making a move. The stuck compactor. A lesson in vibration. Another lesson in caution involves a compactor stuck deep in the mud. The operator had likely activated the vibration function of the machine while spreading fine gravel over soft ground. The compactor's vibration combined with the unstable mud beneath it. The potential for tipping over was real, as the machine could have fallen to the right side. This situation required a complex rescue operation that cost both time and money. A key takeaway here is the importance of considering the stability of the ground and the capabilities of the machine before using specific features, like vibration, that could further destabilize an already risky situation. The perils of backing up. A dozer on a slope. It's not uncommon to see dozers working in precarious situations, but one operator's decision to reverse the machine up a steep slope caught attention for all the wrong reasons. Why would an operator choose to back a bulldozer up a dangerous incline? The mistake was likely due to a lack of proper training or insufficient awareness of the risks involved. Backing up on a slope with such a heavy machine increases the likelihood of losing control and tipping over. In this case, the operator narrowly avoided disaster. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of proper training and understanding the limits of the machinery being operated. The truck that sank in soft ground. Moving on to another classic example of human error. A loaded truck stuck in the wet, soft ground during the rainy season. When the ground becomes soaked with water, even the heaviest trucks can sink. In this case, the rescue operation involved a large Komatsu machine, weighing over 100 tons, to pull the truck free. Had the truck been a more massive machine, like the Caterpillar 797F, the situation might have been even more disastrous. Heavy vehicles like these are particularly vulnerable in unstable conditions, requiring precision and foresight when selecting a route or parking spot. The dangerous job of crane operators. One of the most dangerous jobs in any industry is that of the crane operator. This machine's delicate and high-risk operation can lead to severe accidents, especially when the load is misjudged or not properly secured. A crane, when improperly used, has the potential to tip over or collapse, causing significant material damage and even loss of life. The danger of blasting. Uncontrolled explosions. Explosive materials are used in many industries, from mining to construction, but they come with their own set of risks. An unprofessional blasting incident in Bosnia led to a large portion of the hill sliding into a river, damaging several vehicles. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but 2 people were slightly injured, and 3 cars were damaged or buried. This scenario demonstrates the dangerous nature of blasting and how critical it is for professionals to adhere to safety protocols. A small mistake or failure to properly evaluate the blast site can have disastrous consequences, as shown by this incident. The catastrophic result of poor planning. Excavator disaster. Another incident that highlights the importance of proper planning involves an excavator tipping over due to poor weight distribution. The machine's boom arm and bucket, which together weighed about 20% of the excavator's total weight, were not accounted for in the machine's design or operation. The result was inevitable. The excavator tipped over, causing a massive disaster. This situation could have been prevented with better planning and awareness of the machinery's specifications.
So, what happened here?
It's a reminder of the importance of understanding the equipment being used, especially when it comes to weight distribution and load handling. Truck drivers escape. A quick reaction saves the day. In an extraordinary moment, a truck driver managed to avoid what seemed like an inevitable disaster. The truck, loaded and unbalanced, was headed towards a dangerous situation. However, the driver's quick thinking and timely action helped avert a disaster. This operator showed us that sometimes skill and quick reflexes can make all the difference. The ability to act under pressure is a crucial aspect of many jobs in this field, especially when working with large machinery and vehicles that can quickly become uncontrollable. The power of explosives gone wrong. Speaking of explosions, there was another instance where blasting went wrong, leading to the ignition of a truck's brake pads. Due to excessive heat and friction, the brake discs caught fire, and the fire threatened to spread. Thankfully, workers acted swiftly and managed to extinguish the fire before it could escalate further. This scenario serves as a valuable lesson in fire safety and the importance of constant vigilance when working with heavy machinery. Why safety matters. The heavy machinery industry is undoubtedly one of the most dangerous sectors to work in. From bulldozers slipping down slopes to crane collapses and explosive mishaps, these incidents serve as powerful reminders of the risks involved in working with heavy machinery. However, they also highlight the importance of training, preparedness, and quick thinking in preventing and mitigating accidents. Whether you're a dozer operator, crane technician, or truck driver, the key to surviving in this industry is awareness and caution. The next time you wonder why women seem to live longer than men, think about the inherent dangers of these high-risk jobs and the importance of safety. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Until next time, stay safe.